Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on HMD Pulse Pro. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and then you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now click on this button, then click on settings, click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then you can click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.